So if you are solving this now, what you first need to do is convert what you have here to an improper fraction. How do we do that? You use this way, like when you have a b over c. So what you do for this now to convert to improper is saying c times a plus b over c. So I multiply these two, c times a plus b over c. So that will give me what I'll be having here. So now this one will be giving me. Now one of the laws of logarithm says when you have a number at the back, these two here serve as a raised to power for this numbers here. So if you convert that back, now we're having log base x of 625 over 16 raised to power 2 equals what? 8. That form says n is equals to a raised to power x plus this index. Log form now says log base a of n equals that raised to power of x. Convert this log form now back to what? Index form. So what are we doing? I'll be having 625 over 16 square equals what? X. Our base a raised to power x. S is there equals to. So now this one, a is base x. And then our equals to is 8. So x raised to power 8 to convert everything I see here in the form of saying what times what to give me 625? I have 5 times 25 times 25. So now 25 multiplied by 25 will give me 625 over what times what to give me 16? 4 times 4. So and I still have a square, right? So and this one is still what? X raised to power 8. What the goal I'm going for is to have them as what? Same power. That rule of same power. So now let's break this one down. 5 square, 5 raised to power 2 will give me 25 times another 5 raised to power 2, all divided by 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 2. Will give me 625. So 5 times 5 is 25, like that. So 5 raised to power 4 is 625. So from here now I'm saying 5 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power what will give me 16, 2 raised to power 4 as well, equals what? X raised to power 8. So final from this place now we'll be saying this one outside will multiply, so that's 5 raised to power 4 times 2 is 8 over this one will multiply this as well, 4 times 2 again, 2 times 4, 8. So everything altogether is like x raised to power 8. Now if I do this, I'm telling myself that what? 5, since both of them have the same raised to power, so from here I can tell you that 5 over 2 altogether raised to power 8 is equals to x raised to power 8. So now including the law of same power says once we have the same thing at the top, 8 raised to power 8 raised to power 8, they can cancel. So if these both cancel now, we're having left of what? X is equals to 5 over 2, and that's our final answer for this one.